Hello friends, in this video we will learn the image formation due to spherical mirrors, that is concave mirror, for 6 different positions of object that is possible for this mirror. Before learning the ray diagrams, we must note two things. One is the experimental result of image formation due to concave mirrors that I have written in form of this table. Here, in this table, for various positions of object, the location or position of image and nature of image is written. This is actually what happens when object is at these locations. For example, the first bit, when object is at infinity, position of image is at or on principal focus. And the image nature is a real, inverted, and it is diminished in size. A real image is an image that is formed by actual intersection of the reflected light rays. So when image is formed by actual intersection of reflected light rays, such an image is a real image, and all real images are inverted. And in the first case, since the rays intersect at one point, a point has a no length or breadth, so the image sizes are diminished. This kind of an image formation is used to concentrate sun's heat rays for cooking purpose or in solar furnaces. The second position of object is beyond C. When object is placed beyond center of curvature, position of image is between center of curvature and principal focus, and this image is once again real and inverted, but size of image this time is small but not diminished. Small means it is bigger than diminished. Then the third, when object is at center of curvature, when position of object is at center of curvature, image is also formed at center of curvature, and the image is a real, inverted, and this time the size of object and size of image are same. This kind of position of object or image formation is used in reflecting mirrors for projector mirror. The fourth case of image formation is when position of object is between center of curvature and principal focus. When object is between center of curvature and principal focus, image is formed beyond center of curvature, which is real, inverted, and this time image is big in size, and this case of image formation is used in floodlights. The fifth case of image formation is when object is placed at principal focus. Then image is formed at infinity. This case of image formation is vice versa of the first case of image formation. Here, if object is at F, image is formed at infinity. In the first case, when object was at infinity, image was formed at or on principal focus. Now, in the fifth case, when object is at principal focus, image is formed at infinity, and this image is a real, inverted, and highly magnified. So, this is the only case in case of image formations of concave mirrors when image is highly magnified. And this case of image formation is used in torches or headlights. The last case of image formation is when object is between principal focus and pole of mirror. If object is placed between F and P, image is formed inside the mirror. And this image is virtual, erect. Virtual image is image formed by without actual intersection of the reflected or refracted light rays. This image, every virtual image is erect. Erect means if object is above principal axis, image also forms above principal axis. And this case, image is magnified. But out of the 6 cases of image formation, the highest magnification of image is seen when object is placed at principal focus. Now, the last case of image formation, when object is between F and P and image is formed inside the mirror. This is the case of image formation that is used in case of shaving mirrors or dentist mirror. Shaving mirror or jewelry mirror or dentist mirror. Then the mirror is placed very close to the object. That means while shaving, we would like to see the bigger magnified beard, or a dentist would like to see the magnified tooth. So the dentist mirror, which is a concave mirror, when it is placed very close to the mirror, that means the tooth comes between F and P of concave mirror and the image is magnified. It is seen inside the mirror and the image is as it is but magnified with respect to the object. Now let us see the image formations. Now before seeing the image formations, for every ray diagram that is drawn, keep in mind we need 2 minimum rays of light for image formation, and the rays of light that we choose must follow the rules of image formations that we have discussed in the previous video. If a ray of light is parallel to principal axis, after reflection it passes through F. If a ray of light passes through F, then after reflection it goes parallel to principal axis. If a ray of light is incident oblique at poles with respect to principal axis, it is reflected oblique. Now let us see the first case of image formation. When the object is at infinity, parallel beam of light rays after reflection converge to a point on principal focus, and that is the location where image is formed. This image is a real image, inverted and diminished in size. The next case of image formation is when object is beyond center of curvature. If object is beyond center of curvature, image of the object is formed between C and F, and this image is a real image. Why? Why? Because it is formed by the actual intersection of the reflected light rays. So real image, and every real image is an inverted image. The third case of image formation is when object is at C. If object is at C, then image is also formed at C, but this image is a real, inverted and of same size. The fourth case of image formation is when object is between center of curvature and principal focus, and in that case image is formed beyond C. While drawing the ray diagrams, locate the object between C and F, draw the ray parallel to principal axis. If it is parallel, it has to follow the rules of image formation. So the parallel beam after reflection has to pass through principal focus. The next ray passes through principal focus, so after reflection it should go parallel to principal axis. The point of intersection of the reflected light rays, that we have to connect to principal axis, and that will give the image of the object. The blue colored vertical line is object, red colored vertical line is image. Let's see the fifth case of image formation. When object is at or on principal focus, then image forms at infinity. This image is a real, inverted and highly magnified image. The last case of image formation, when object is between F and P. The jewelry mirror or the dentist mirror ray diagram is this. Then image appears to have formed inside the mirror. Image forms inside the mirror, but the reflected light rays, when we produce it backward, the virtual image of the object is formed, and this image is a virtual, erect and magnified. So these are the 6 cases of image formations, and for drawing the ray diagrams, follow the yellow arrows that you have seen in the animation.